Oh, yeah, man, it's your boy 50 Ruby on the check-in, and we got another one coming to you live here on the YouTube. We got 50 Ruby, and look at that beauty right there. Look at that beauty right there. We got another SS with a few bolt-ons coming in. We're gonna take a full look. But like I said before, make sure you like, you share, and you motherfucking subscribe. So, as I said, we got this beautiful SS here. This is the owner right here. Say what up to the people, baby.
Hey, what's up, people?
What's up, man? So let's give them a walk around in your car, man. Let me see this beautiful car before we get into it. You know what I'm saying? Look at those rims, man. What kind of rims are those right there?
So these are Z01 replicas. They were custom made for my car.
Okay.
So they're black and like aluminium on the interior.
Okay.
And I added just a touch of those the Decepticon logos in the middle.
Okay.
So you know, kind of bringing the Transformers vibes.
Gotcha. What size tires are those in the back?
Those are 20x11.
Okay.
In the back.
Gotcha.
And then I added the carbon fiber side skirts from the Z01 style.
Okay. Those are clean.
Fiber.
Those are clean. Look at that interior too. I gotta show them the interior. Look at the interior, y'all.
I mean, it's not as nice as yours, but it's something.
it's beautiful, man. And what about this exhaust, man? This exhaust is, I don't know if y'all can hear it through the video, but this exhaust is crazy.
Right. So this is a custom setup made of JCC Customs in Jersey.
Okay.
So basically, it's pretty much straight pipe. It goes all the way down from the primary cat to the back. No restrictions. Full airflow.
Really?
No restrictions at all.
That's fire, man. And what we got under the hood? Can you pop the hood for him? Let's see what we got under. Look how clean this thing is. Look at that. And that's how you take care of your car. Look at those lights. Look at those lights. Oh shoot, we got the Roto-fab. We got the Roto-fab here. Yeah. And you think the Roto-fab makes a big difference? How you feel?
It does make a big difference. Definitely pushes a little bit stronger.
Okay.
But yeah, I actually love it. That was my first mod when I bought the Roto-fab.
Really?
I actually also bought an oil catch can, but I have yet to install it.
Got you.
I gotta do that soon.
All right, cool, man.
But so far, yeah, this is all I've done.
Make sure y'all follow him on IG. Look at those lights, man. I think leave a comment below if I should get these lights.
Turn the hazards.
All right, yeah. Show them the hazards real quick, man. Should I get these lights? Leave a comment below. Let me know if I should pull this off. Okay. Okay. You see what he went to do.
Yeah.
You see what he came to do.
So the main reason why I got them just because they could match with the tail lights.
Okay. Yeah, that's crazy, man. Let me make sure they get your IG. I'm gonna leave the IG in the description as well. But look at that. Make sure you follow my guy. Yes, sir. How you pronounce that? Kronos? Kronos. 2SS. Follow my boy. So before we get into the race, I want y'all to hear this custom exhaust. Yeah, it's just, that thing is loud, boy. Custom exhaust.
1,000 RPM.
Really?
That's the second one I was high.
So there I have it. 5 runs from a dig with a different driver, a different SS. The results were still the same. Shout out my guy Jose for coming out from Jersey, tapping in with me. I appreciate you, Brody. We did it longer like I asked. Got a different driver. He has a few more mods. Leave a comment below. Good or bad feedback, good or bad vibes, we accept it all, you know what I'm saying? Constructive criticism, yes sir. But make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. I think I want to do a 5th gen SS next, a 10-speed SS, a LT1, somebody with an Overkill Supercharger. Let's find out who the real king of Superchargers is. Is it the Edelbrock or is the Overkill system? You know what I mean? Let's get it going, y'all. Like, share, and subscribe. It's 50 Ruby, you know the vibes.